Hey, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 6 best app that will pay you money. So if you got a phone, you have an Android, or you have an iPhone, this is the video that you need to watch. So I'm going to show you 6 apps that can make you money right away. So let me know in the comments if you're a team Android or you're a team iPhone. If this is your first time here, my name is Andre. On this channel, I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just different ways how I could share my knowledge with you. So I try to create a video per day, one or two per day or even every other day. So once you subscribe, you'll be notified in your email when I come out with another great video. And I always come up with some really cool stuff. So if this video is not the one that you're looking for, feel free to scroll through here and you can see a bunch of other things that you can look out for. So these apps, I have some apps that are worldwide, and I also have some that works in the US. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end for these 6 apps that will make you money. So let's just dive into it. For my regulars, happy to be here. As usual, thanks for the support. So the first app that I'm going to be talking about where you can make money and it will pay you money is an app that is called Receipt Hog. So Receipt Hog, it's super fun, it's super easy. For people that go to the stores all the time, all you have to do is take pictures of your receipt and you can earn money. So if you got an iPhone or you have an Android, you can sign up for it right away. And how does this work? It's easy to earn cash. So take pictures. So if you shop and you get a receipt, as soon as you get a receipt, take a picture and then you upload it. Once you upload it, you're going to get some bonuses. So you can win like hog slots. You can also take surveys on there. You can win free shopping trips and much more. Then how are you going to redeem? You redeem your coins for prizes. So that means you can trade your hog coins into Amazon gift cards. You can get it in magazines or you could get it in cash via PayPal. So if you got a PayPal account and you want to get it in cash, they could pay you using the PayPal account. So start earning today. Sign up with this fun app. This app is really cool. Take pictures of your receipt. I'm sure you have a lot of receipts, so start taking pictures and upload them. Get points. So coming in at number 2 app that will pay you money is an app that is called Fusion Cash Net. So Fusion Cash Net, they will pay you right off the bat just $5 just to sign up as a bonus. So you get $5 sign up bonus. So what are you waiting for? As long as you confirm your address and you complete a brief survey. So this specific website is more of surveys. So once you sign up, so if you click on where it says surveys, you gotta pick a username, an email, password, confirm your password, and then you put your zip. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the next stage, and then you have to do surveys. So if you're someone who likes to do surveys, if you got an hour, 2 hours per day to spare and you want to jump on here, sign up for fusioncash.net. So coming in at number 3 of the 6 best app that will pay you is Future Points. I'm sure people talk about this a lot, but this had to make this the 6 best apps. And the reason why, because Future Point is great. You get reward, you can make money, and you can earn rewards from your phone. So if you got a phone, you're ready to go. You just put it on your app, put the app on your phone, and then once you do that, you're going to earn cash back. And the good thing with this, people in the US, you can make a ton of money with Future Points. We all go to Best Buy. We all go to Forever 21. Walmart is where most people go to buy groceries in bulks. Let's be honest. Target, Nordstrom, and of course Macy's if you want to shop. So you're going to get a percentage back every time you shop at these stores. They also have some different stores as well that you can go, and they will list that here on the website. So all you have to do is just come through here, complete surveys. Once you complete the survey, you're going to start earning points right away. And they made it like super easy for you to start making money. You can also share it with your friends and you can earn like 50% of whatever points they have. So that is like super cool. You can also make money. So you can choose from different rewards. You can get like Amazon gift card, PayPal. You can get Xbox. If you got an Xbox, Bitcoin, PlayStation. and of course Google Play. So Future Points, sign up for it right away. That coming in at number 3. Coming in at number 4 of the best app that you can make money is of course Swagbucks. Swagbucks, this is like putting cash in your wallet, as they said, right? Because all you have to do is sign up for it. It's just you get free gift cards, you get cash for doing things online. So if you shop online, you like to watch entertainment videos, answer surveys, find amazing deals, you can earn points right away. And then you get in gift cards, then you can cash that out, whether it's an Amazon, Walmart, or you can get a PayPal. Most times they have other payment method, but these are the top listed ones they always mention. So hey, sign up for Swagbucks right away. Coming in at number 5. Number 5, the best app, and this one is worldwide. From a people, if you have an expertise, you want to get on the phone, this specific website is to help a lot of people. So if someone have questions about some expertise, what if you're like a chef? What if you're a nurse? What if it's something about lifting weight, something business related? What if you're a teacher and there's a student that is looking for this specific? So Fibbler.com is a great website. All you have to do, you sign up, which is not going to take long. You make sure you build your profile, set it up where people can find you easily and they can reach out to you. And then what you do is once you start to share your expertise over the internet, because sometimes you got to promote yourself sometimes. Facebook, join huge Facebook groups, start to do some promotion, put it on Twitter, put it on Instagram. And once you do that, you're going to get a call, video chat, and you get paid instantly. So people are paying for your knowledge. You already know how to cook. Someone will probably want to know how to cook, chicken curry. Some people want to know Italian. Some people want to learn about Jamaican, Yemen, Caribbean food, American cuisine, whatever it is. Or they're just looking for some advice that you have that can help them. So people pay people for information. So this is a great website. Sign up for it right away and you are ready to go. So coming in at number 6, which is the final website, is Decluttr. Decluttr, this website is awesome. If you have things in your house and if you got a lot of stuff, start selling them. And here's the reason why. You can make money from decluttering. So that means if you got like smartphone, smartwatch, you got some movies you want to get rid of, start selling, right? Click on where it says start selling. Once you click on start selling, you can click on here and you could sell some phone, you could sell iPad, and you can do all that stuff. If you want to come on here, you can also flip. So if you know somebody, someone who have, electronics to sell, feel free to sell it. If you know somebody who have Legos are great. Sell your CDs, sell your DVDs, sell games, sell some books. If you got books and you don't want to use them anymore and you need some money, scan the barcode, upload them, and they will tell you how much money you will get. So they'll give you information, especially if it's books, you need to package it and you need to send it out to them. All right, so that's all you got to do. Those are the 6 best apps that will pay you money. So if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, show some love. In the first description, if you want to learn how to make some money and change your life of freedom, where you can travel the world and do whatever you want to do, check out the first link in the description if you're ready to start your own business online. My name is Andre. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.